Guys, save us. Brookhaven has flooded. Brookhaven is flooding right now. Oh my gosh. This is not good. It's literally flooded. If you would just grab out a camera, have an umbrella at the same time, that would be easier. Oh, I'm going to my treehouse. I don't care. You can't even drive in that stuff. It slows you down, dude. You just slow down. Don't know what happened there. I'm just going back. I'm going to my treehouse. But one last time, I'm gonna crash into that person's car and move it over to the hospital more. Every building is getting flooded right now. Yeah, even the police station's done. Everything is gone. Well, not gone. Let's go check on the pool. Dude, even the pool is flooded. Before I started recording, I drove this dude's Lamborghini into the pool because he parked in the middle of the road and it wasn't supposed to be there. I'm in danger. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm actually going to my treehouse this time. Wait, I think the flood's going away. It looks like it's starting to go away. No, it looks like it's starting to go away and flood more at the same time. The bank alarm was set off during a flood. What if there's a tsunami? Dude, this flood is getting worse. Even the fire station was taken down. Bro, girl, don't crash into someone's car during a flood. That is actually illegal, dude. Like, you could get arrested for crashing into someone's car, like, during a flood. Like, even when it's an accident. Well, I don't think you can, but if you could, like a car crash in the flood, I think the person who crashed in your car would be arrested. At least this upper area isn't flooded. Goodness, oh gosh. I'm unlocking my house. I need to get in. Dude, it's literally flooding right now. Look it down there. Okay, you know what? I'm done. I'm actually I'm gonna try to move out Brookhaven. So like if I go through a tunnel or something. Hey, it stopped raining. Oh gosh, it's still raining. I thought it stopped raining. Hey dude, have fun because I just locked my house up. Look at that. Look, locked. Oh bro, I swear if he's on. Bro, he's up there. You can see me in my car. Dude, what the heck? Dude, oh my gosh, this flood is intense. Like and subscribe if you guys want a part 2.